Ever wondered how ordinary individuals turn modest savings into substantial wealth? Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind the power of investing in stocks and bonds. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you've ever felt uncertain about how to transform your savings into a financial powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of stocks and bonds, unveiling the secrets that can elevate your financial journey to new heights. So buckle up and get ready to discover the untapped potential of your money. Let's dive in. Stocks and bonds are fundamental building blocks of the financial world. Stocks represent ownership in a company, granting investors a share of its profits and losses. On the other hand, bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations, providing a fixed interest over a specified period. Together, they form a dynamic duo for investors, offering opportunities for long-term growth and income. In this video, we'll unravel the essentials of stocks and bonds, exploring how they can shape your financial success. 1. Long-term growth potential. Long-term growth potential is the magnetic force that draws investors to stocks and bonds, promising a journey of financial evolution. In the realm of stocks, this potential is rooted in the essence of ownership. Owning shares in a company means participating in its success, as stock values tend to appreciate over time, fueled by the company's growth, innovation, and profitability. The magic lies in compounding, a snowball effect where reinvested earnings generate additional earnings, amplifying wealth creation. The remarkable journey of long-term growth potential encapsulates the essence of financial success, offering investors the prospect of realizing their dreams through patient and strategic wealth accumulation. 2. Diversification and risk management. Diversification and risk management are the dynamic duo of investment strategy, acting as shields against the unpredictable currents of the financial world. Diversifying a portfolio involves spreading investments across various assets, such as stocks and bonds, reducing the impact of a poor-performing asset on the overall portfolio. This strategic spread cushions the blows of market volatility, ensuring that a setback in one area doesn't spell disaster. With risk management at its core, diversification fosters stability, offering investors a well-balanced approach to weathering market fluctuations and enhancing the resilience of their investment portfolios. 3. Income generation through bonds. Income generation through bonds is akin to a steady financial heartbeat, providing investors with a reliable and predictable source of income. Bonds, essentially debt securities, operate on a simple yet powerful principle. When an investor purchases a bond, they are lending money to the issuer, be it a government or corporation. In return, the issuer pays periodic interest to the bondholder, creating a consistent income stream. This interest payment, often fixed and predetermined, becomes a reliable source of earnings, especially appealing to those seeking stability and regularity in their investment returns. The allure of income generation through bonds lies in its ability to complement a diversified portfolio, contributing to overall financial well-being with a dependable cash flow. 4. Building financial stability. Building financial stability is akin to constructing a robust fortress for your financial well-being. It involves meticulous planning and strategic decision-making to create a foundation that withstands the tests of time. Diversifying investments across a spectrum of assets, including stocks and bonds, becomes the cornerstone of this stability. Stocks provide the potential for growth, while bonds offer a shield of consistent income. This diversified approach not only fosters resilience during market fluctuations, but also ensures a balanced and sustainable wealth-building journey. The goal is to fortify your financial position, creating a stronghold that weathers economic storms and provides a secure platform for your long-term financial aspirations. 5. Unlocking wealth through investments. Unlocking wealth through investments is a journey of financial empowerment. Investments serve as the key to accessing the vast realm of financial growth and prosperity. Whether it's the dynamic potential of stocks or the stability of bonds, each investment opens a door to opportunities for wealth accumulation. This unlocking process involves strategic decision-making, informed choices, and a long-term perspective. As the key turns, investors reveal the pathways to capital appreciation, dividends, and interest payments. Join us on this exploration as we delve into the strategies, insights, and secrets that unlock the door to wealth through smart and strategic investments. In conclusion, the world of stocks and bonds offers a gateway to financial success, providing avenues for growth, stability, and income. Embracing the power of diversification, investors can navigate market uncertainties with resilience. Whether you're drawn to the potential of stocks or the reliability of bonds, a balanced approach paves the way for lasting prosperity. Remember, the journey to financial well-being is ongoing. Continuous learning, strategic planning, and adapting to market dynamics are essential. As we wrap up, thank you for joining us on this exploration of stocks and bonds. For more insightful content on financial growth, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Well Not Anymore. Don't forget to share with friends and hit the bell icon for all of our upcoming videos.